So this video in the adult series was recommended by lots of adults just because they wanted people to understand why when they were a child or when they were a teenager, why actually they really liked being sent to their room. So if a child is naughty or cheeky or something has happened, we might send them to their room. And for a lot of people with sensory processing difficulties, actually this is one of the most relaxing places for them to be, and there's many reasons for that depending on that person's sensory needs, but ultimately their bedroom is their space, so it's where they feel most at home, they're most familiar with the sounds, they're familiar with the smells, they're in control of the way that the light is. The things that are in their space are all theirs, and so when we are in control of our senses, we're going to really enjoy being in that space and find it really calming and really supportive. So yes, send a child or young person to their room, but remember that that environment needs to be supportive to their own personal interests and personal needs. So being able to remove themselves from a smell or an aroma, it's going to be really supportive, so they might go to their room. Being able to remove themselves from a busy party with the whole family around, by going to their room, they're going to be able to regulate out those sounds, play some music, or just be able to be that further away from the sounds. They can block it out a bit easier. Removing themselves from tactile sensations, whether it's certain kinds of food, whether it's people, whether it's temperatures, all of those things I can then find a way of regulating for myself when I'm in my bedroom. And the other sensory system that I'm just going to mention is our interoceptive sense again, and this idea of being hyposensitive. So interoception is the awareness of feelings of hunger and thirst and heartbeat and tiredness. If I'm not receiving enough, I might not be interoceptive information, then by going to my room, actually, because it's really comforting, I'm more aware of my body, and I'm more aware of those feelings which are really important for me to then regulate my interoceptive sense, which supports my proprioceptive, my vestibular, and therefore the other 5 external senses as well. So actually, when a child or young person and they have sensory processing difficulties is sent to their room, a lot of the time that young person really enjoys that space. So it's important that you're able to make this hub, make this space where someone can go and they feel safe and they feel relaxed and comfortable.